As many of you all know, I successfully got my ex-abuser prosecuted for coercive and controlling behaviour in 2022, where he was given a 19 months prison sentence and I got a restraining order for 4 years. Now, I could only do this by collating the evidence and giving it to the police to prove what I had been experiencing. Now, I get so many people message me saying, how did you get that prosecution? Help me, what do I need to do? I will be more than happy to help people through this process. But what we have to have is we have to have tangible evidence. Now, you're not going to have bruises, broken bones or anything like that when it comes to coercive and controlling behaviour. If you have experienced physical abuse as well, then yes, that can definitely be part of it. And you can have that evidence there. So even doctor reports, hospital reports, pictures of bruising, etc., all of that. But within coercive control, you need to show texts, voice notes, emails, CCTV, punches in the wall, threatening messages, voicemails, all things like that. Everything in that relationship is evidence to use, even the good bits. So don't delete anything. Then you need to categorize what you have experienced, because it's great having all the evidence. And a lot of people have said, you know, I've got loads of evidence, but the police don't know what they're doing. I'm not saying the police don't know what they're doing, but domestic abuse is one of the highest calls that they get to go to every single day, what they get sent to. Trying to prove it to the Crown Prosecution Service has to be done in a way for them to easily see, yep, it marks, or it's all categorised correctly, where yes, we can clearly see this is coercive and controlling behaviour. This is what I now do. I help people categorise what they have experienced. So let's say stalking and harassment, we will have that as a headline and we will collate all the things that you have experienced, and then let's have the evidence there to back those things up. Financial control, all the things we have to list what you have experienced within financial control and back it up with evidence. This is how you will get a successful prosecution, or to prove it into family court in fact find. You have to have evidence and you have to be able to show what you have experienced amongst the whole relationship. So this is what I do with people now as well, is I help break it down, put it in a report where you can easily hand it over to your solicitor for family court or to the police in criminal court, where the Crown Prosecution Service can't really deny what you've experienced because you have everything there. So if you want to for me to help you do that, then please contact the details below and let's start collating all your evidence.